Hello, John Neal here. It's Thursday the 19th of January 2023. This is part 2 of my survey of the cycleways around Nuneaton. I'm going to go to Whitestone and come down along towards town. It's marked on the map as being significant, so let's see if it works. I've just turned off Bulkington Lane down what is a pathway. It's not a cycleway, so I'm walking, pushing the bike. But I've not been down here before, ever. And there's a bloody great big tree in the way. Wonderful. I had the wrong settings on the GoPro, so here are some still shots as I made my way along the pathway that went over Paul's Land, which is an extensive bit of land with football pitches on one side and this quite reasonable path leading through the trees parallel to Lutterworth Road. The pathway was well laid out, it was firm even though it was wet look, and led further onto this pavilion, and really it was just a pleasant ride all the way along. Well, this looks very nice. Here you can see people who don't drive cars are just far more polite. Actually, I drive a car myself, but yeah, this was a pleasant moment as we all just gave way for each other. road proper, but it only goes to the Pingles, so there's not a lot of traffic here. Miles an hour. I'm doing 11. No entry. Oh, it says bikes on there. How do I get up there? How do I get up? There's no drop curb. This is all illegal. I'm going too fast, the wrong way. I'm going to end up in prison. No, here we go. Cycleway, pedestrian way, right into the park. Absolutely super. That's heard me, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. There's a great example of how effective the bell is. Now I've got a feeling this is supposed to be not for cyclists, but I can't see any sign here that says that. Well, here we have a lady gallantly cycling along this way from the back of Sainsbury's over towards, oh, what road is this? The road after, I think it's Church Street. Yeah, and it's found a really good route, this, from Whitestone, Paul's Land, Donnithorne Avenue, straight along into the park. Absolutely brilliant. I've got to give a score. I don't want to do 10 out of 10 because that couldn't be bettered. Let's make it 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Really good.